Welcome to day 24 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Today, we're focusing on candle gazing meditation, an ancient practice that enhances concentration, calms the mind, and deepens mindfulness. Candle gazing, also known as Trataka, allows us to anchor our focus on a single point of light, promoting clarity and relaxation. This simple yet powerful technique can help quiet mental chatter and bring a sense of inner peace. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. Candle gazing meditation. Find a quiet, dimly lit space and light a candle. Ready? Let's begin. Place a lit candle at eye level, about 2 feet away from you. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, then exhale slowly. Gaze softly at the flame without straining your eyes. Observe its movements, the flickering, the glow, the subtle shifts in color. Let your attention rest fully on the flame. As you watch the candle, bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Allow your breath and the candle's movement to sync naturally. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus. Observe any thoughts that arise without judgment, letting them pass like clouds in the sky. After a few minutes, close your eyes. Notice the after image of the flame in your mind's eye. Take a final deep breath, feeling the calmness and clarity within you before slowly opening your eyes. So, why does candle gazing meditation matter? It enhances focus, reduces stress, and brings a deep sense of inner stillness. This practice trains the mind to be present, improving mental clarity and emotional balance. Now, let's reflect. How did candle gazing make you feel? Did you experience a sense of calm or new insights? Share your thoughts in the comments below. A detailed guide for today's practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 24 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Let's continue exploring mindful practices together. See you tomorrow for day 25. Stay serene and let your inner light shine.